you will receive 6 different tactical exercises. In each one of the position, your goal is to find just one single best move for the side that you're playing for. And you should stop the video, think about the solution, write it down, and in the end you can compare them to mine. So let's start with the first position. It's red to move. Second task, this is the position, it's blue to move. Position number 3, red is to move. Position number 4, it's blue. Position number 5, red in the very last turn moved piece to c2. And now it's blue to move, and what's your advice for him? Final position, similar task, blue just played f3. So it's red to move, and again, what's the best move? Let's get to the solutions. So in the first position, the best move is just to play it on the A line. Then we have a row of 4 and we just won the game. On the second task, it's a bit trickier because blue cannot win the game. But if you follow the protocol correctly, that's the idea of these exercises, then you should check whether you can win your own game, and that's not the case. Wherever you put it, you have no connection of 4. But the second part is you need to check whether the opponent may actually win. And in this example, he actually can by placing something on the G line. Therefore, the only move that gets the game rolling is to put it on the G line. And that's the solution. For the third task, it's the same. Since it's red to move, first of all, you should check whether you can win yourself. It's not possible, here it's not possible, and neither of the options satisfies the winning condition. Therefore, before you can play on, you need also to check whether blue can win, and actually he can, because if he would place something on d4, he would have a line of 4. Therefore, the only way to get the game continuing is to place it on d line yourself, and that is the best move. The next part is position number 4. It's blue to move, and there's only one right solution, and it's posting it on the F line, otherwise red would win. And in fact, that's the same position that I presented to you in the introduction video. In the game, red played something on the H line, and then blue just won. Actually, with best play, red is winning, but it doesn't change the fact that this is the only single move that blue has to play in this position. Finally, position number 5, it's pretty funny story to both of them, because blue was afraid of a red's win, and therefore he, protected the idea that red has. At the same time, that was not the best solution, because there was actually a winning option by putting on a D line and getting these 4 in a row. So blue simply missed it because he was more thinking about what red's idea was, instead of just thinking what its own chances are. And winning is better than defending. It's the same situation here, namely red had the option to win the game simply by placing on h2, and this is definitely the best move. Instead, he placed it on f4, and the game continued on, and it was not the best solution. So what I presented to you with these tactical exercises is the way how you should think in certain situations, but you have to imagine that you should think with this protocol in each and single move that you play. And if you do it, then you can achieve quite good results in this game.